a doggy. Yes. Oh, take off my glasses. Who's that doggy in the window? The one with the waggedy tail. How much is that doggy in the window? Woof, woof. Oh, woof, woof. Say hello, everybody. Oh, burp. Here's my harness. I love my harness. I wear it all the time. Except when we have a bath, and I had a bath today. Who had a bath? Did that doggy have a bath? Doggies and kitties. Doggies and kitties. Oh my. Where's those kitties? Where's Rico? Rico. Where's all your doggy friends? Do you have any doggy friends? Who's your doggy friends? I'm trying to think. Peanut? And Bailey? Bailey's your friend. We have a, here we go. I don't know if that's in it. Okay. Say hi. Hi. Oh. Oh. Whose feet? Whose feet? Whose feet? Mommy got a new laptop. And the laptop can take movies. Yay! I didn't even know it. I didn't even know that. No. Oh, two kisses. Nothing like a clean pug. So clean. So clean. Oh, you gonna fall asleep? Okay. Supposed to be looking right there. There's the puggy. Say hi, puggy. Pug. Weston. See the doggy? You see the doggy? Say goodbye, doggy. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.